Whoa, that is the biggest squirrel I have ever seen. Whoa, he just got like landed on by a starling. That starling like landed on his head, I think almost like buzzed him.
Yeah.
That was hilarious. Like maybe bounced off him. They're buzzing him, man. Even the dove is getting a little bit upset about that.
Yell at him.
I'm not a good yeller, but I will definitely lift the window. Okay. Let's see. Oh, terrible. Oh, he heard it. He heard it.
Chewy!
He's like, I don't want to get yelled at again by the lady. I don't want to. He's like, wait. Maybe they weren't talking to me.
Hey, Chewy!
Oi.
I'm gonna come down there and get you.
Oi. Don't break a window. Let's get a bell.